Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutiara Islamika, and in here I will share and explain my article with the title is The Changing Role of Women in the Saudi Arabia. So, in the last few years, the discussion of how women's position in the eyes of human has developed and becomes a topic of conversation that is always interesting to discuss in some ways. The high, emancipation of women in today's era is very significant progress, especially in areas where women are still nothing more than just a housewife. The development of the role of women in leadership in Saudi Arabia, their voices are starting to be heard. Even being allowed to run is a very positive thing in the development of the role of women in the next few years. It's just a matter of how women there play important position without violating the Sharia, but also being contributor to the idea of progress that worthy. The prohibition against driving for women as well as traveling without a mahram or guardian, which is currently abolished, in my opinion still raises pros and cons. In the religion adopted by most Middle Eastern people, namely Islam, women are protected and treated like precious diamonds, which they don't may hurt with pride. In this case, traveling with a guardian can reduce the privilege of women in that condition. On the other hand, this gives more freedom to women to do many things, and also reduce some change where women are not getting justice at all from their guardian who can do anything arbitrarily. Positively, it is also able to reduce the domestic violence they might experience. Palestinian women have been considered fighters since the first time their country was colonized. It's just that now the world is increasingly saying that women are no longer weak creatures who cannot defend themselves. Through the reflection of the Palestinian women who are in a state of urgency, they are considered unemployed, educated, and so on. They are able to prove otherwise. Basically, Islamic law never writes about how women are not allowed to live. Only in some cases, the natural difference between women and men does exist, and this can be shortcoming that can be overcome by women in Saudi and other parts of the world. The shortcomings as women do not stop them from voicing their opinions, becoming leaders, and acting they should demand. The end point is how women are able to fight for their dignity and existence, and also remain under the auspices of the Sharia without reducing it at all. The view of intercultural communication compared to the author's talk on the changing role of women in the Middle East is where they both develop in terms of intercultural communication. It can be said that it impacts the relationship between people from different backgrounds because they try to understand what it is said in different language. Will Will the article explain how the role of women brings new and brilliant impacts so that this can change people's perspective on women forever? In my difficulty in understanding the concept of intercultural communication, there are several things that resemble the point of view of the author of the article, Change in the Role of Women in the Middle East, about how the adaptation and competencies faced by women when entering an era where they are considered and heard as men have been. There are always many things that need to be adjusted when humans enter a time where they are faced with new things, as well as intercultural communication and the role of women, which is gradually changing in the age of the world. As in the insight on intercultural communication, it is that the environment shapes how a person communicates, but recently an opinion has also been raised about biological factors that are the reason for a person's different communication. It is explained in the article about the changing role of women that the environment plays a very important role in shaping the character of women. For example, Palestinian women are forced to become fighter in order to maintain their honor and their homeland, regardless of the biological condition of women and men who are clearly different. Palestinian women are able to change the world view of women who have been known to be weak, not insightful, and is also unique point. In other words, the view of intercultural communication and the author's view on the changing role of women in the Middle East are both moving forward, which in the future will have more and more positive and negative impact, and will continue to develop along with changes in human character that follow the time. I think that enough for my analysis of my article. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.